DoctorX is going to be one of the biggest airdrops in 2024. You heard it here first. DoctorX is a project by Ice Open Network, which was launched on Multiverse blockchain. You people that need Ice airdrop, obviously cash out big. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this project, how to increase your mining speed and accumulate a lot of tokens. So make sure you watch this video to the end. First of all, DRX is a meme coin, and here is what they said on their website. Hold on, let me put on my glasses. So they said DoctorX is a meme coin with no inherent attributes, utilities, or promise of value. It's purely for entertainment, bringing fun and humor into the world of crypto. DRX tokens don't offer staking, voting, or rewards. There is no roadmap, no guarantee, just vibes. Please remember that DoctorX is intended for fun and community engagement without any expectation of profit or utility. But you know what, guys? Don't mind them. Popular meme coins that are doing well today say this exact thing. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Loki, Safe Moon, Pepe, and a lot of other popular meme coins say this exact thing. And today, they are trending. Lest I forget, the mining of DRX token will end on December 4th, 2024. After that, then TJA and distribution will start. They announced it on Twitter, which is now known as X. So let's dive into my phone and show you how everything works.
So to register, you see the link in the description and also in the comments section of this video. So we tap on the link. Once you tap on the link, it will take you here. You can see it's DoctorX. So you will see my name here. My name, Victor the Joker. That's my nickname. So you see it here. So you can copy it. You can tap on copy. Then copy it. Then you can download the app on Google Play Store, or you download the APK file and install it manually. But if you are using an iPhone, the thing will take you to Telegram. They have a mini app on Telegram, so they will take you to Telegram. But if you are using another phone, they will tell you to download the app on Google Play Store. So it will tap on it. In my own case, I've downloaded the app. So and I've already registered. So to register is very easy. All you have to do is just sign up with your Gmail address. They will send you an OTP to that email address. Then you copy the OTP and verify your account. So once you verify your account, you will see something like this. Let me open up my app. So that I will explain everything to you. So once you open it up, then you tap on this button here, this X button, now this X here, then it will start mining automatically. You don't need to do any hard work. So you just come back. I think after every 24 hours, you can see my own remains 20 hours left. So once 24 hours have elapsed, you come back and tap on this X again. You see, no hard work. But then let me explain some other things to you. As you can see here, this is my current balance here. My current balance. You can see my earning rate. That is my mining speed. You can see 544 X, like 544 DRS per hour. You understand? You can see the speed. My own is super fast. Why is that? It's because I referred people, and my level is I'm currently in level 7, and my global rank is 1858. So the more, you can see what they say here, the more users you refer, the more DRS you earn, and each friend you invite will give you 2000 DRX. You understand? So the thing will boost your mining speed, it also boosts your level. And again, if you don't want to maybe do all this referral stuff, you can already buy the mining. You can also already boost your earning rate with ICE, the token called ICE. So if you tap on this boost now, you can see the prices here. You can buy with ICE. I mean, I'm currently in level. Okay, this is the level. I'm level 1 now. But then if I want to upgrade it, I will choose the level I want, then pay with ICE. So it's kind of costly. So I did not buy any boost. So let me explain some other thing. You can see here, you can see what is written here, degen. That is a degenerate. So this degen badge is given to early adopters. That is, because this token was launched yesterday. At the time of making this video, it was launched yesterday, which is 9th of October. And I'm recording this video on 10th of October. So it was launched yesterday. So the people that join early are the early adopters. You understand? And again, that's something I need to explain to you, because as the time goes by, your mining rate will keep decreasing. That is according to DoctorX. They say that every week. Like, look at it now. Let me show you. Like, if you come here now, the adoption. I say I'm one of the first adopters. So I'm currently in level 1. So this level 1 now will expire on 16th of October. I will now enter level 2. You see that in level 1, I'm earning about 64 DRX per hour. So once I reach level 2, now it will go down to 32 DRX per hour. And that's how the thing will keep decreasing till the mining ends on December 4th. Why is that? This is to regulate the supply of DRS. You understand? This is to regulate the supply of DRS. So my own date and yours will be different depending on the time you registered. You understand? So the date will be different for each of us depending on the time and date you registered. So like I have already explained, like the reason for this is it's called halving. It's called halving. This is to regulate the supply of this DRS token. So this is to show you that this project is a very strong one. So it's not the one that will pack millions of tokens and they will be worthless. You understand? So again, once you have finished registration and you scroll down here to where it says tasks, you can see that I've already finished mine. So you can see the tasks they will give you. First of all, you have to claim your nickname. So you have to write a unique nickname for yourself. Then you start your first earning. That is, you have to tap on this button, this F button. Then you start your first earning. That is your first check-in session. Then you upload your profile picture. Then you follow them on X. Then once you finish that, you join the Telegram community. Then you now invite 5 friends. Once you complete all these tasks, I've forgotten there's amount of DRS they will give you. It's no longer showing here, but they gave me some DRS token for completing this task. So make sure you invite at least 5 people and then do all these tasks so that we earn those tokens. There's one more important thing I need us to be aware of. So if you scroll down to this place that says resources, then you tap on this place that says knowledge base. Let me tap on it. So it will open their website on your browser. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down to frequently asked questions. So, okay, this is it. So I'm going to understand how this mining of DoctorX works, this DRS token. So, you see about that thing I talked about slashing. Say, stay active to avoid slashing, which occurs if you hold over 20k DRS tokens and become inactive. So, this slashing is if you become inactive, they will slash your DRS token. It's the same thing that Major is doing now. Like if you become inactive, they will burn your tokens. So then it's different. So this slashing is different from halving. That halving is the one that I mentioned to you, that your earning rate will begin at 64 DRS, then 64 DRS token per hour. Then the thing they will not reduce it after every 14 days. Like they will reduce it every 14 days. That is, they will divide into 2. That is called halving. You understand? Up to 7 times, to a total of 7 times, helping to control the token supply. That's what they wrote here. So let's scroll down again. Because can I extend my mining session early? They said yes, you can. So extending your mining session means, like I told you, you have to mine, once you activate your miner, it will run for 24 hours before it ends. So let's say you log in before that 24 hours ends. you can tap on it again and the thing will extend it. Like if it's supposed to end by 2 p.m. and you log in by 12 p.m., you can tap on it and the thing will extend it till the next day. That's what it means. So what is slashing? This is the important one. This is the important one. Slashing occurs when you miss extending your mining session or run out of days off. It will temporarily reduce your earnings until you resume regular mining. So you have to be active, otherwise they will slash your token and they'll slash it. So you can go through this thing and understand how this platform works, because some people will just ignore it, and then when their token is not reduced, they now start saying that these people are scam, that are reducing their token without understanding how the platform works. So we have to go through it. So feel free to explore the platform. If you have not registered, use the link in the comment section to get yourself registered. If today is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, make sure to tap on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I hope you will do that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.